Hey guys, Gavin here. Today we use a twin 52-inch outdoor Hubby's Armitage ceiling fans. We installed on the balcony at the house that we got. Here's the blade pitches. No, I'm not gonna. And do that over there. There's a fan over there. Love that fan. And show you this. Show you. Yeah. Okay, so let's do that one there. Show you the switch. Right there. Show you. So, start off with the light. But I'm not going to demonstrate the light on this one because the light doesn't work. The bulb is burnt out inside.
No, Missy. We're going to be here for a whole weekend.
Start off the light. I'm not going to do that one because I just told you that the bulb is saggy blades. Start low. Yeah.
Look at the pink boat. Pink boat?
There's the pink boat over there.
Are you okay?
You see, this one has a back capacitor because it's very old and slow. Maybe it's because I also might have a back capacitor when I'm old. Or maybe the bearings that's locked up in this thing. Really locked up. Very old too. That one was fun. But the light just doesn't work. So it's burned out. But alright, start on medium. Okay. Medium. Yeah.
There's a helicopter! Wow! I thought he said they had a key master. And they said key master was in the helicopter. Key master! Key master.
It's a helicopter.
Whoa, whoa! Hey! That was...
I was in that. Okay, so yeah. But, hi.
Oh, that's a stranger.
Stranger. Stranger. Oops. About that. About that. High speed. So in this one. I don't know why medium is like a high speed. Oh, I saw it. So
I was so fucking bad.
like,
No, it's at Home Depot.
Oh, yeah. You were telling
Like-
us
Oh, I
about
was so mad. I was so mad.
Jared called me and he
and like,
pissed.
Like, I love these
Like,
fans.
I don't know what. I don't know what.
Some of these fans are super powerful, especially this one, because, like, medium speed is like a high speed. There's a light. There's a light on. Light on with the fan on her.
Can you still hear it? No, don't you?
Unfortunately, the light doesn't work. Turn it off. Shut it off. See.
What's that?
There's a guy over there.
What is all over your butt? Why are you Avery, what the
2 minutes for development. You're out.
See ya. See ya. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.